review this product, which is BBlunt High Definition Curl Defining Leave-In Cream. In my previous video, you guys have controlled my whole day through Instagram polls. In one of those polls, most of you guys voted for my curly hair over my straight hair. I recently started using this BBlunt Curl Defining Leave-In Cream. Today I'm going to show you how I apply the cream onto my hair, and I will be telling you guys how long it will last, everything about the cream. I just washed my hair. I left the hair damp. So on the damp hair, I take some product. I start with this much product. If I need more, I take a little more. I rub it on my palms and just run the fingers through my hair on both sides. Now I scrunch a little and then I twist the hair. Okay, let me take a little more on the fingers to keep the front hair intact. So in the front, I am just twisting the hair. I have applied the product on my hair. Now I leave it to dry. And let me talk about the product itself. It has a light smell which I am okay with. This product keeps the curls until you wash the hair next time. I generally wash my hair once in 2 days. So that feels good. Let me wait for a while, and after drying, I'll just show you guys how it feels. You guys let me know how you like my curls. Guys, this is how it looks after drying. I love this thing in the front. And the best part is I didn't use any heat on my hair to get this curls. It's all my natural hair. I just applied that BBlunt product to keep the curls a little longer. That's it. My hair type is wavy to curly. When I wash my hair, it goes all curly. But after 1 day or 2 days, it goes flat. I always thought I should make my hair straight, but now recently I started accepting my hair the way it is, and I'm loving my curls. Let me give you some points about this product. Let's read what we have on it. The name is BBlunt High Definition Curl Defining Leave-In Cream, and the price is 600 rupees. So what's written on this? Curls need definition, and this hassle-free cream makes it easy. I completely agree with that point. It enhances curls and waves and also tames frizz. Go ahead, show your curls some love. That's what I'm doing. I love my curls, and it's so easy to apply, as you have already seen. I just started using it recently and I love it. I really love it. You guys must try it if you want these kind of curls. I'm not sure how far this will work on straight hair, but if you have wavy or curly hair, this one is really good. You must go for it. I'm enjoying my curly hair. I get so many compliments. So I thought, why don't I carry my curls instead of struggling to make it straight? And I have these small baby hair all over my scalp, which used to look very ugly with all the hair straight and only that thing going curly. But when I'm carrying my curls, that doesn't even matter. I love this look. Let me know how you guys like my hair. I'll leave the product link in the description box. Go check it out. If you want to carry your curls nicely, you should go for this product. What kind of hair products do you use? Let me know all that in the comments below. I'd love to know all that. I would love to chat with you guys in the comment section. If you're new here and watching this video for the first time, click that subscribe button and the bell next to it. When you click that bell, you will get notifications of my future videos. Until next time, bye.